Hi, Andrew Schneider here. We're in Pompano at the Pompano Yacht Center of MarineMax. We're going to board the Azimut 50, our first of the series of the Azimut Flybridge range, and a leader in its class. And we're going to show you several of the features that separate it from its competitors and why the 50 Azimut is the leader in the 50-foot class. So let's take a board and look. First, look at our bow. We have the four-sided bow. When we go up on deck later, we'll see that advantage, but you can see it from the exterior here. No effect on the beauty of the boat, but when you'll see on deck, it will end up giving us 30% more standing ability. Let's continue aft. You see the great walkway from bow to starboard, from port to starboard, through the boat that make easy line handling. Of course, the reason we're starting on the outside of the boat is I wanted to feature the Stefan Regini exterior. Look at the window line. Look at the rub rail, look at the stainless. This 50-footer is built no different than our 25 Metri. Same level of standard, same quality, 50 feet. And 50 feet is a big boat. Of course, the Regini was the leader in window design in the hull. Again, an Azimut first. Back in the 90s, we were the first to do it. And here we have the mirror effect on the windows, which gives a very yachty look. But the thing we're really known for in our Flybridge range is our great flybridges. So take a look at the flybridge here. You can see that the hardtop goes all the way aft, where you can see the Azimut logo is, fully giving a great area and protection over the cockpit. So that is the feature. That is the number one thing that people look at when they look at a flybridge boat is the hardtop, which is the nature of a flybridge, and what we're doing with it. So in the case of Azimut, in the flybridge range, we're giving you maximum coverage in the cockpit area, while giving you the biggest square footage for furniture and livability on the flybridge area. When we get up on the flybridge, you're going to see that. As we board the boat, as in all of our ranges, our boats come with the hydraulic platforms as part of our standard package. And from a safety point of view, we offer nice flat sections in our flybridge range to get on and off when you're port and starboard too without bringing out the boarding ladder. So easy to get off on the port side, but also easy to leave aft. Of course, like all Azimuts, they feature showers and all those standard features that you would expect in a yacht of this caliber. Again, even on the 50-footer, we've opted to have these beautiful stainless steel poles. That's a signature of what you would expect to see on a flybridge motor yacht, not a flybridge sport yacht. So again, both aesthetically looking great, but also providing support to the large area up top. Also notice we've transitioned away from the square, ugly aft lights on the boat that never look like they're put on square, to these beautiful round ones that equal in light, but of course a much better look and something you'd expect on an Italian looking boat. So coming into the cockpit quickly, similar features that we offer on the other boats is our great C-shaped seating here. As I step into the lounge chair, I want you to notice that it works great. The C-shaped seating acts as a great lounge. Great attention to the height of the cushion and your backrest, as well as a spot for your elbow and libation here. So really nice feature. Makes it nice when underway to have a place for two people to sit. Again, like Azimut's, cleat position is critical, so we have it in a nice safe area where whether it be the husband or the wife or the deckhand can easily handle lines without reaching on the outside of the boat. So these are all yacht features which you would expect to see one of them or two of them in some boats, but when you look at the Azimut 50, all these features are there in one product. So like most of the flybridge range, the 50 is available in two different woods. This morning we're going to see a sand oak version. Sand oak is light oak. When we do light oak, we go dark on the floors and vice versa. So come on aboard. This is a 3-stateroom, 50-foot boat, 2-head. Truly a leader. I believe we're on a hull way over 100 here of this particular model. So you do have the advantage of the high-low table, sofa bed that you would expect in a salon. But at 50 feet, you have a group seating here with opposing couches and love seats. Keep in mind that AV and navigation is all done at the factory, so what you're seeing today on this quick tour is exactly how the boat came from the factory. Your AV, your TVs, your KVH are all installed by the manufacturer, therefore giving you, the boat owner, a full 3-year warranty on the boat. Pretty amazing. So this is what we would refer to as an up galley. One of the key things, whether it's the galley and looking at appliances, which in this case are Mealy, which is the same appliance we would put on our 32 meter, which is 105 feet. So we try to bring the luxury brand and chosen suppliers throughout the whole range of boats, not just our larger boats. And that's been the MarineMax philosophy with Azimut, is always maximum equipment, luxury package, luxury materials. So again, this boat we've chosen Raymarine, who are great partners with ours. Nice thing about the Raymarine and the Flybridge series where we're using it is they have full switching for air conditioning, pumps, generator all through your panel here. So the helmsman is certainly in control of the ship. We're going to briefly show the 3 staterooms, keeping in mind that in the Flybridge range, the outstanding features where we win best in class are our flybridges and our bow areas. But let's take a good look at the down below. It's a 3 stateroom boat, as I mentioned. When we went to the up galley, we were fortunate enough to end up with a nice space here. So I think of the people that use this as a weekender, and look at the amount of storage all the way back through here that we have. Your washer dryer, central place, another refrigerator. So again, refrigerator on Flybridge, refrigerator in the galley, refrigerator in lower deck. More storage. So a nice addition. Not too many 50-footers that have a true pantry area, let's say. So let's take a look at the master. Really well done. You can see the design. Certainly our product, we do win design awards, and Azimut heavily invests in the right designers. So this is a great example of a 50-foot, large windows. Again, this is what we refer to as the sand oak. So our packages, even down to the linens, are come from Azimut. A new boat arriving, which is about a 2.5-week shipping, can really be turned around in a 10-day period from delivery to customer. Okay, let's go up and take a look at this amazing Flybridge. No one can beat it. So here we have 2 refrigerator drawers, as I mentioned, nicely done. We had the refrigerator down below in your pantry area. Your ice maker in the aft cockpit. I forgot the additional refrigerator drawer in the aft cockpit. And then as we go up top, you'll see a beautiful barbecue area. So look at this great, this is 50 feet. So 50-footer with its own standalone entertainment area with barbecue, sink. And did I mention the other refrigerator? So a lot of thought to give you maximum amount of refrigeration, quality appliances, and in our standard package. So no thought on the consumer end, we've already added it all in. I mean, at 50 feet to have an aft deck like this, again, the 2 lounge chairs. This is one of our other fabrics that we offer. The first, you can do beta line or you can do this leather-like vinyl, so another choice. We have 2 different fabrics and 6 different colors. But look how great this chair works as a lounge. Table, entertaining area, 50 feet, an amazing Flybridge. No doubt our hardtops have evolved into the best looking in the industry, whether it's the detail of the fiberglass work or just the profile from the outside as you saw before. No one is doing a job like we are. Of course, we utilize it as well for some antenna up top, as well as lighting and audio visual. So one more area to see. Let's go up to the bow area where we were a leader. As we move forward, look at the amount of rails on this boat. So I think if you look at the, as an example of what Azimut presents, look at the railings, count how many there are. There's probably 20%, 30% more than our competitors, which means 20 to 30% more stainless. But it's not only quantity, it's also styling and design. So we've put more on, we've put the right diameter, but we've also put some style and aesthetics to it. That's what separates an Azimut. I mean, at 50 feet, there's no more you can do. Great walkthrough, great bench. Does fold down if you're driving from the lower helm to give you that extra visibility if you want it. Cup holders, so a great entertaining area. If you're stern to, why not come up to the bow area and have privacy. So here's that area of the bow where we mentioned the 4 sides. And again, triple rail, not double rail. 30% more space standing here because of the design of our bow, giving you easier ability to handle lines and ground tackle. So safety as well as styling combined into one. So thanks for coming aboard the Azimut 50. It is the leader in the 50-foot class in the Flybridge range. That's what this boat, the segment this boat's in. I challenge anyone to look at a Flybridge that is better designed, better space, and more effective use of comfort and offering it to the customer. So with that said, ciao.